I'm ready! Well, in Southeast Asia, motorbike tour number 3. Motorbike tour number 1 in Laos. Maybe I'll do the second one in Pakistan, but I'll do the Thakhek motorbike. So we'll see what we're gonna do today, or actually the coming days. Yeah. Let's go for it. Visiting one of the caves, and it's actually the first part where you ride counterclockwise, and you have a lot of caves, so you can pick one out of 7 or 8, even more the smaller cave. We'll see what this one is. It's quite a long ride, and it's very hot around here, but we're still having a lot of fun, just jumping from the rock into the water. Not today for me, maybe tomorrow in another waterfall, will be good. I'm ready! Well, I'm already riding my bike now, but I forgot the introduction of day 2, and we are in. I haven't filmed also Thakhek yet, but it was a really beautiful town with some fishermen along the water, fishing and catching other food from the water. But you see this? This is 100 kilometers is like this. Like what I've heard is I just passed the dam yesterday, and there was actually a whole forest of just ground and soil. There was no water at all. But because of the dam, a lot of parts are actually flooded like this, and the trees are still standing up, dying eventually. It's kind of weird.
Don't you see
Just drove for hours and hours up here, very hot. But now it's time to explore the Kong Lor Cave. Well, this is a really good closure of the second day. Tomorrow I head back to Thakhek to finish the loop. Yeah, the cave was amazing. I mean, you go into the cave, walk first, and then suddenly it's pitch black. Go through the cave. One time you get off to see some really beautiful rock formations. Go in the boat again, onto the water, which on the other end, and then you go back. It is something I never have experienced before, not even in Vietnam, but it's really worth it. Totally worth it. So I say you goodbye and see you tomorrow. Now I have to say goodbye here in the it's a really beautiful location. Now we are the third day to Thakhek, back to Thakhek. This is actually the first viewpoint. This is actually really spectacular doing the loop. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied doing this on the last day. Well, this is the last one. Maybe 40 kilometers to Thakhek, but this is a really boring road. And wide 170 or 80 kilometers an hour. I saw even backpackers riding 100 or 90. Can't do it. Way too dangerous to do that. To keep my safe, I'll be there anyway. I want to know. Yes, I made it! There's some few hundred meters and then I'm at a hostel, deliver my bike. This is the end of my Thakhek loop. See you at the next one.